Hey YouTube, Carlo here. Welcome to the vlog. This is the channel where we talk about sneakers and tech. And for this episode, I'm going to review the best sneaker, I think, for students and young professionals. On top of that, we're going to talk about how you can make money while you're still in school or in college. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please make sure that you do so. We are giving away a brand new Yeezy Zebra as well as a Nike Epic React Fly Knit the moment we hit 30,000 subscribers. If you're already subscribed, show this channel some love and share this on Facebook. When it comes to picking the sneaker best for students and best for young professionals who don't have that much budget yet, it boils down to three main things. You're looking at versatility, you're looking at value, and you're looking at affordability. We need a sneaker that you can wear in, for casual days out, or sneakers that you can beat up in school, but these sneakers should also look good, and at the same time, you can even go beast mode in them and use them for working out or when you are running. Having said that, for me, one of the best sneakers that you guys can get today with those three factors in mind is the Adidas Pure Boost. This is the quintessential underrated and underhyped and overlooked sneaker of our time. It looks good, it's crazy comfortable, and you can work out in them because this is just a beast of a sneaker. First, let's focus on the look. The Pure Boost has a very stylish, streetwear, urban-inspired kind of vibe when it comes to the overall build of the sneaker. It has a very wide base, which is very similar to the Adidas Yeezy 350 Boost. When it comes to color, you have a lot of choices when it comes to the Pure Boost. It just so happens that this one, the one that I have in my hand, is the newly released steel colorway. I just love everything about it, from the darker shade of like steel gray or something with the popping out of the three stripes over here down to the black outsole that you have below the sneaker. When it comes to comfort, there are two main factors that makes the Pure Boost really shine. The first one is the Boost midsole that you guys see here. If you haven't tried Boost yet, get your ass on over to an Adidas store or a multi-brand store and just fit on either a Pure Boost, a Solar Glide, or an Ultra Boost and feel the difference, because this isn't just gimmickry. The energy response and cushioning that you get out of this midsole is insane. Now granted, it's not as comfortable as the Ultra Boost, but you won't be paying Ultra Boost prices to get at least almost the same or slightly lower levels of cushioning and energy response. Now the second part that delivers the comfort is how they constructed the tongue of this particular shoe. Now, unlike the normal build of sneakers, it's like one build sock-like type of fit, this one has a burrito tongue. And that's the thing that you guys see here, which looks hella weird, but this actually serves a purpose. This, because of the flaps, you can actually customize it a bit so that you get a snugger and better fit. That's also the reason why you have extra lace loops on both sides of the shoe. So if you want a snugger and tighter fit with the laces, you can just insert them so that you get better foot lockdown. The upper of the Pure Boost is not made of prime knit. To those who are not aware, prime knit is the premium knit material that's being used by the premium version of this shoe, which is called the Ultra Boost. This one uses some sort of variant of the knit material, which is not as stretchy, it's not as flexible, but it is just as breathable, which is great because you get fantastic value for money because you pay much less, but you get the same breathability. All of those elements makes the Pure Boost a beast of a sneaker. It is so versatile because you can wear them for athleisure, you can wear them for casual days out, and you can also get them out of your gym bag for working out, for CrossFit, for running, or whatever it is that you want to do with this particular pair of sneakers. On top of that, they won't break the bank. The Pure Boost sells here in the Philippines for a little over 6,500 pesos. The more premium colorways like this all steel version or the all black one sells for 7,500 pesos. But the good news is, usually during end of season sales, the prices of the Pure Boost drops dramatically. Right now, you can even get a pair of Pure Boost over at Commonwealth for like less than 5,000 pesos, somewhere around 4-5 with their 30 plus 15% promo. And that's amazing, crazy value for money for the sneaker that you are getting. So if you ask me, if you're a student, if you're a young professional and you're tight on budget, the Pure Boost should be one of the main sneakers that you should get first. It's better than NMD. It's better than a lot of the lifestyle sneakers out there because you can't wear lifestyle sneakers to working out. They're not as versatile. And that's the reason why I think this is one of the best sneakers out there for you. If you're a student or if you're a young professional and you want to make extra money, what should you do? First thing, you should watch the previous video that I made on the 7-to-1 principle. Pause this video if you haven't watched that one yet. Click the link down below, watch it, and then come back here after. The premise of the 7-to-1 principle is very simple. 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. you build your career, or for the students out there, you go to school and you earn your degree and learn as much as you can. 7 p.m. to 1 a.m. that's where the magic happens. That's where you build your startup. That's where you work on your YouTube channel like this one. That's where you work on your side projects. That's when you work on a side business. That's where you freelance. That's where you hustle to be able to generate extra income and even prepare a retirement career that you want to do further down the road. Now, the 7-to-1 principle is the most powerful in your life when you are still young. Why do I say that? Because over time, seasons change. Your priorities change. You can get married. Your priority will be your wife, your husband. You can have kids, and then your priority will be your kids. You can be in the thick of your business, and then that would be your priority. So while you are still young, while you still have complete control of your evenings, while you still have complete freedom over what you can do from your 7 p.m. to 1 a.m., that's where you can exert the most effort to be able to quickly get to where you want to go when it comes to your side business, when it comes to your app, when it comes to whatever your dream is in life. The question you need to ask yourself, guys, is this: what will you give up? Will you give up playing Dota late nights every evening to be able to build that app, to be able to do that YouTube channel, to be able to freelance, to be able to write better, to be able to invest in yourself? Will you give up those lazy Netflix nights? Will you give up drinking and partying and endless dating? What will you give up? What are you willing to give up to be able to get from here, which is where you are now, to here, which is where you want to be in life? At the end of the day, it's all about seizing your youth and taking control of where it is that you want to go. You need to be able to determine how you spend your time and how to spend that energy while you're still young and channel it in things that will set you up for a bigger and better future. And that's it for this vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed our review of the Pure Boost, and I hope you also enjoyed whatever lesson that you could pick up from the last part of this vlog. Make sure that you subscribe to the channel, make sure that you follow me on Instagram, and by the way, we are giving away Rastaclat bracelets from our sponsor, The Nines. To be able to get the chance to win them, click the link down below to my review of the Saucony Feature Living Fossil sneaker, and just leave a comment down there and you should be able to be qualified for a raffle for these bracelets. That's it for now. Peace. God bless.